Good afternoon. My name is Bhanu Prakash. I am studying tool engineering and digital manufacturing, first sem at Gannavaram Training Center. I am going to present my short talk. Topic name is Least Count of Vernier Caliper. Today we are going to learn and understand about least count of Vernier Caliper. We are also going to know about who invented the Vernier Caliper. Vernier Caliper was invented by French mathematician Pierre Vernier in the year 1631. They usually show either metric or imperial measurements, and in some of the cases, it measures both. A vernier caliper is defined as a measuring device that is used for the measurement of linear dimensions. It is also used for the measurement of diameter of round objects with the help of the measuring jaws. Here we can see the picture of vernier caliper. The large jaws are known to be outer jaws. These are used for measure the outer dimensions of job are known to be workpiece. The small jaws are known to be inner jaws. These are used for check and measure the diameters of round objects are known to be cylindrical objects. Least count of vernier caliper. The least measurement that can be measured by an instrument is called least count. The least count of vernier caliper is calculated by least count LC equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Here MSD means main scale division, VSD means vernier scale division. As we know the formula of least count LC equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 VSD equal to 49 by 50. MSD equal to 0.98. Substitute the above value in the formula of least count. LC equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 49 main scale division equal to 50 vernier scale division. 1 main scale division equal to 1 mm. 1 vernier scale division equal to 49 main scale division by 50 vernier scale division equal to 49 by 50 equal to 0.98 mm. Least count LC equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD equal to 1 minus 0.98 mm equal to 0.02 mm. Least count of metric vernier caliper equal to 0.02 mm. Here we can see the variations of main scale division and vernier scale divisions. The gray color shows the main scale division and the yellow color shows the vernier scale division. When the zeros are coincide of main scale and vernier scale, we can see the 49 divisions of main scale division and 50 divisions of vernier scale division. Applications of vernier calipers. Vernier caliper is widely used in workshops, in manufacturing industries for inspection purpose, in metrology labs for research. They are also used in aerospace industry, educational institutions, etc. Thank you.